My name is Frank Cole. I live in Glen Rock, Pennsylvania, and I'm basically a retired truck driver who still works seasonal. The reason why I elected to build it was the old building was in disrepair. I found a contractor that I could work with, and this is a building he recommended, and it's a good place to store some things that we've all acquired over the years. One being a pickup that was my dad's, and he was given to me roughly 2 weeks before he passed away. It's been inside all these years, but now it has a better home in a better building. And the structure of the building, the way it's holding up, the way its appearance and everything has been great. And I think it will be for quite a few years.